wrap, guys. We're coming to you live. Automotive Game Changes where it is. My boy Cory Mosley in the Heezy. All right. Thank you, sir, for stopping by. I really appreciate it.
Always.
What do you think
of
of the conference
Patronn
so
calls,
far?
we get it done. Listen, I like to see people excited. I like to see people energized.
Yes.
And anytime you get people together who have the right mindset and are focused,
Yes.
anything's possible.
Amen to
That's
that.
what's important.
How you
So,
like the intro?
Listen, I thought that was I'm getting the theme song now. You do realize this, okay? But I gotta step it
so
up.
Did I inspire someone?
Yeah, you inspired it. Listen, not only am I getting the theme song, I'm getting the damn 12-piece band. All right, I want them to follow me for like I'm gonna get you sucker when a dude has the
I
drum
can put that
falling
together,
behind.
by the way.
All right, I know you.
I have the person.
Yeah,
we almost did it.
You're El Patronn. I know a guy. Okay?
Yeah.
Right, exactly. No question.
Well, listen, it's all about the connects, right?
Yeah, absolutely correct.
We've been connected for a long
That's right.
time. We
That's
followed
right.
each other for a
That's
long
right.
time, and you know, I love the support, and obviously the interview came out, and you know, it's a lot of people call me out like, yo, that was crazy.
I made you look good.
You always do. You always do it. Believe me, this video will make you look good. Your logos will be on it. Auto Builders in the house. So, you know what I'm saying? So I really appreciate it, man. You stopping by. I know you got a crazy, hectic schedule, but, you know, this is what it's all about, right?
Right.
When we call each other, and we said it even on the interview.
Yep.
Hey, calm down. Let's make it happen.
That's right.
And whatever you need, man, you know what I'm saying? Whatever we got to do.
Listen, it's all about adding value. We can add value to each other. We can get money together.
Yes.
We can mastermind.
Yes.
You know what I mean? We're all trying to go this direction. So as long as I
100%.
stay positive, we keep our energy high.
Yes.
You know, we're gonna feed off everybody.
Yes.
I'm gonna get me some more spikes.
Hey.
You know, I'm gonna trade into Santonis.
Why not?
And,
Why not?
And trip it out
I
over
like
here.
Louboutin, you know what I'm saying?
You know
It's
what
kind
I
of
mean?
like my thing. You know what I mean?
Exactly. So, but listen, everybody's out here all focused on the same thing.
Absolutely.
I think that's
Guys,
important.
you got to attend these conferences. The reason why you do it, you grab ideas. 2019 is going to be the best year ever we're ever going to have. Our second franchise is coming. You're more than welcome to come to the grand opening if you're not doing anything on the 8th, which is next Saturday. So we're going to turn that thing into a club. So, and it's going to be videos all over, a lot of content. So we got content for days, guys, from this
guy's
conference.
This guy's going straight to the top. That's
Oh, yeah.
how it is.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, he's
It's
at the top. He's not going to
No,
stop.
no. We just got started.
I think Diddy said it best.
We
Can't stop.
Can't stop.
Won't stop. Right. That's it.
Love it.
Time, man.
Guys, El Patronn, Cory Mosley in the house. Peace.
All right.
All right.